People are going through massive challenges. There's an example that I have not talked about much recently, uh, although I mentioned it in our trip to Central Australia. We had this coughing challenge with my son, and that hasn't improved. It has not improved for 2 months. The month we've not been able to sleep through nights, and it was more than we could handle because they take away your sleep. You pretty much very hard to function daily. And that's what we've been through for the last 2 months. But what do you do with it? And when you come to meet people, you don't know what they are dealing with. For example, in our case, it was asthmatic with my son, the 9-year-old. I took some notes just so for me to review what we've been through. It was seeing white robes, traditional doctors who said, well, just 10x the steroids and he will be fine. It didn't work. And he didn't have anything else for us. Then we went towards kinesiologists to look at maybe if it's an allergy. It could. Then we did nebulizer, gargling, homeopathy, silver colloid, naturopath, liquid herbs, massive vitamin bombs, air physio. This is all of the things that we've been through. And I've also done a major emotional intervention. And that was a family intervention where I really started to research what could be causing asthma or asthmatic symptoms. And I found at times people are not being able to be themselves, or they're feeling repressed. And that could be connecting to anger or feeling sad, losing connection. And I have to say, the last 2 nights, we've been able to sleep. And this is a new experience for us after 2 months. What I'm trying to say here is it pays off looking at what is the emotional wound or what is going on in the mind. And for a while, I didn't research, I didn't look at it. And I think what has really started to make the difference is looking at how the body is responding to issues a person cannot deal with. And I'm talking about psychosomatics, how they start to create certain reactions or symptoms in the body. So we are hopefully over it, and we have a trend coming out of this experience. Be open-minded. And I believe white robes are at times not your only solution. And by all means, go and see them, but look for other ways to resolve challenges, especially health challenges. Take care, and I hope to hear from you soon. If there's anything to add, do that. Take care, right?